Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. So obviously we're doing a Diamond Art Club unboxing. I'm pretty excited about this one. It was a pre-order that I ordered in July. And it was one I didn't think I would ever get to order because they released a second edition of it, which is gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but this is the one I wanted. So I was kind of thinking that I would never see it. It was never going to come back. So when it came back for pre-order, I was definitely didn't want to miss it. So I jumped on it right away. So we're going to see what I got. And it is the Ice Pincess first edition. And like I said, the second one is gorgeous. I loved it. I love her face and the colors and everything. But this one has all these beautiful colors down here. We're going to look at it better in a minute. And it has the little snow leopard. And it's a Hannah Lynn. It is 55 by 69. So I'm still waiting on one more pre-order that I cannot wait for. That I'm going to be doing for Drills and Chills. So that one isn't here yet, but it should be here in a couple days, and I can't wait to get that one unboxed and show you guys what I ordered for that. So if I can get the plastic off. And I'm going to have to slice it because I can't get it. Now I do keep my drills and stuff like that in the boxes, but I hang my canvases up. So, I mean, I try not to damage my boxes, but if there's a little tiny slice from my X-Acto knife, I'm not super concerned about that. So, get all the goodies out, and it does have the newer box style that says that it's round diamonds, and I like having that because the way I store my boxes, it makes it just kind of easier to see which one I'm looking at. And I love their boxes. They're thick, they're sturdy. Then because they come in a secondary box, I've never had any of my canvases damaged. I have had my box a little smashed, but not anything super bad at all. It wasn't a big deal. So here's my toolkit because it is a round. I have a tray, a pin, the wax pad, the 2 wax pads baggies, and a comfort grip. And I know that they had a thing with their multi-placers. They haven't had any in there. I have a ton already, and I don't really use multi-placers that much. So I'm not super concerned about that at all. It doesn't really, not a big deal to me. And here's the image. It's gorgeous. I love the colors. I'm going to be doing this one for sometime around Christmas time. I'm not quite sure when, but sometime around there. And she has her little crystal tiara on, and she's got her owl and the little snow leopard who's down here. I love these colors. I am going to get some sparklers. Did come with a little second sticker. I love that little tiny sticker. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what I got. I know this has been unboxed multiple times because it's not a new image, but I don't think anybody's unboxed it super recently, so I figured I'll show y'all for the people who are newer or for the people who haven't seen it in a while. Plus that we all have different perspectives. So, and we're gonna move the drills out of the way, and we're gonna, sorry I bumped you guys, let me fix you guys. So sorry about that. These colors are just so pretty. I like that it has all these really light colors. They're kind of you know, with the whites and the light blues and the grays and stuff, but then you have all these pops of color down here and up here in the snow areas and the trees. She's got a lot of pinks and stuff for her rosy cheeks, and I really like that. I like the colors in this one a lot. So we're going to bring this up a little bit. I love how soft their canvases are, and they just straighten out so nicely. And we're going to take a look at the drill field really quick since we're all up in it anyways. And my camera is not wanting to focus super close. Let's see if we can back it up a little bit. So we have 33 colors, including 2 ABs, 3 ABs. So we have 2 up here and 1 down here. And I'll show you guys on this. It might be easier for you to see. So we have the number 1 and 2 are ABs up here. And then down here, we have an AB as well. And I'm going to kind of go through the canvas and find a couple of those so we can see them. Shows all the sparkles on her dress and the snow little caps everywhere. It looks like icebergs back here. I went to, me and my husband and my mother-in-law and father-in-law took a cruise to Alaska last year, and we actually went through Glacier Bay and saw the glaciers, and the colors are very similar to this in the actual real glaciers. So back here you can see these like almost aquas and teals. Those are like really what the glaciers look like. It's amazing. So this is a beautiful, beautiful canvas. I'm really excited to work on this, even though it's going to be a little while before I get started on this one. I had to get it when it was available. So right here, just looking at the canvas, I see number 2s, and number 2 is going to be 141, which is like the whitish white AB. And that's just because I can see it super clearly from here, so I figured I'd show you guys that. And I want to find some number 1s for you guys, but sometimes it's hard to see them when you're kind of going through the canvas, and then all of a sudden they pop out. So there's a lot of 1s in the trees up here. Let's take the plastic cover back, and then you can kind of see it a little better. So there's a lot of 1s up there. I have been completely removing my covers when I stirred them. I'm removing the plastic cover completely because it bothers me so bad. I've tried everything I can think of to work around it. And so I've started taking those off, and I put the Star Wars release papers, and I love doing it that way. And they're reusable. They don't get messed up when you're doing it. So every time I take a square off, I just put it back in my little plastic bag that they came in, and I can use them next time, and I love using those. So, and then we have number 138, which is this blue AB, and those are going to be in a lot of the snow at the bottom as well. And like I said, I am 100% planning on adding more bling and sparkles, so I definitely am going to get more sparklers. I do have some. I think fairy dust will look really good in some of these areas, plus I have a lot of other ones, so I think that's going to end up coming out really nice when it's all said and done. But you know, to each their own. If you like it the way it is, I think it's gorgeous this way. I'm very extra sometimes. So like I said, it is called Ice Princess. It's the first version 1 by Diamond Art Club. Hannah Lynn is the artist. Your schematic is right here, and it is a 55 by 69, and you do have your legend on either side, so no matter which area on the canvas, you have a quick ability to look and see what symbol and whatever you're looking for. And then because this is a sticker, I cut these out, and then the symbols, and I cut them out and I put them on my storage on the label, but I put a piece of like Scotch tape underneath of it, so that way it's easier to pull up. I'm not worrying about residue or anything like that. So really quick, before we flip this over and look at the drills, they do scalp their edges. It just gives it a nice finish. I know that this gets covered up. Normally people frame them or put them on canvases, and that gets covered up. I just think it looks really pretty. I just enjoy looking at it when I'm working on my canvas. It doesn't look unfinished, and I like that about that. And as always, it's very soft and very sticky, and it's already starting to flatten out. So I'm gonna pause you guys when I'm gonna take the drills out of their packages and pause you guys so you guys don't have to hear the crinkling, and I'll flip over the canvas and we will see the drills. Be right back. So you do get a step-by-step instructions. I'm not going to open the booklet because it does have a, I'm not going to open it all the way because it does have a coupon code in here, just so you know. And then the package does say Ice Princess on it. The package the drills came in, so you'll know exactly where it goes and who it goes with. These bags look different to me. I know my lighting just got really weird and I don't know why. The bags are different. So we're going to take a look. I'm going to try and zoom in just a tiny bit so I have a better ability to show you. So we're going to go through these, and we start with 820, which is like a deep navy blue. It's really pretty blue. It's not quite as dark as 939, but it is pretty. It's a pretty dark blue. So then we have 775, and that's like a very light aqua. I really like teals and aquas. I know I tell you guys all the time, and grays. That's probably one of the reasons why this particular kit spoke to me, because the coloring is just beautiful. And I love Hannah Lynn's face, the girls' faces that she does. They're just gorgeous. So then I have 318, and that's a gray. Again, one of my favorite colors. I only have 2 bags of 310s, which is not a lot for the ones that I've gotten from Diamond Men Art Club so far. So not even mad about that. 3865, 2 of those, 3 of those, 4 of those. So I have a lot of white and very little black. 762, this looks like a very light grayish purple, if that makes sense. And then 796, that's a beautiful purple color. And then 3846, again, these aquas, aquas, teals are my favorite. So 519, 415, another pretty gray, another one of those. 3811, 2 of those. And then 138, that's our first AB in this, and that's really pretty. I'm sorry, my nails are messed up. Don't judge me. It's been a long week. And that is a gorgeous AB. And then I have 699, this like foresty green color. Oh, and this is kind of cool because these are only like a hair difference. And I like when they do that because it gives it a lot of variation without being super, you know, harsh in the color change. And that kind of, to me, gives it more, I don't know, it's more lifelike, even though it's cartoony or, you know, coloring book style. It still gives it, I don't know, I just like the way that looks. 3843, that's 700. 991, this again is not a huge color difference between these, so that's going to look really good. There's that 141, that really pretty white AB that I love. 317, 413, 3609, 3608, and here we go again with that, you know, slight difference in color. 754, 912, 995, 993, 598, and those are really close. 165, that's a really light, pretty yellow. 134, there's our other AB, and it's a really pretty green AB. 718, 907, like a lime green. 3607, 701, and 818. So there's only a little bit of that though, very little. So these are our colors. And I'm really excited to work on this one when it's closer to Christmas time. time. So I'm not saying this is going to be my Christmas painting, but with Drills and Chills coming up, I'm going to assume that there's going to be some sort of Christmas-y type one, and this is definitely going to be the one that I decide to work on for that, because I can't wait to do it. It's so pretty, all these colorings. So yay, this is what I got. I'm so excited, guys, and I cannot wait to show you the one that I got for Drills and Chills. I actually have two. I have a really large one from Diamond Art Club, and I have a smaller one from Ever Moment that should be here any day now. I'm really hoping to work on both. I mean, it's 2 months, but I also don't have a ton of time to devote just to diamond painting, and because I have a job and a life, you know, unfortunately I have things to do. So but I'm really hoping I can work on that a lot, and I love this. I know Jen just worked on this one, and she changed out some of the coloring, and she did a video on her post review, and she said which color she changed out some of the skin and the shading for, and I think I'm gonna, I kind of wrote down what she said, and I think I'm gonna kind of try and follow that, because she said this was super like she called it, I think she called it an Oompa Loompa look when it was done. So I think I'm going to follow her lead on that, just so I don't have to go back and pull them all up. But I also am going to visit Diamond Painting, Diamond Painting with Sparklers, Tima, her page, and get some silver and stuff like that for in here, just because I think it will look really pretty. I really like the way this is going to turn out, and I know we all can put our own spin on it, even if you choose just to do it the way it comes, and then other people can choose different sparklers or different ABs that they add to it. So I kind of like that we're able to customize them to give us more of what we're looking for. So yeah, this is what I got. I'm so excited to start on it, and to put you know, bring you guys on the journey of me switching things up here and there and see what I come up with. Anyhow, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.